Konnichiwa, watashi wa Andesh. Hey, this is called Gay and welcome back to my show. The reason I speak in Japanese today is to introduce you a Japanese woodworking technique called Shou Sugi Ban Yakisugi. Basically, it's about torching the wood surface until you get that deep charcoal black finish. Then scrub the wood surface or the burnt surface until you get that harmonious blends of wood grains and color. Now, I'm going to stain it further with colors. Please watch this. Start by torching the fine wood surface. Render it till deep charcoal black. Do not worry about overdoing it. Keep torching until you see the charcoal burnt surface. Scrub the wood surface with a hand scrubber or a wire brush. Keep scrubbing until you see the beautiful wood grain. You may also try using an orbital sander or any mechanical sander. You can now feel the wood green texture floating on the surface. It is time to stain the pine wood. Let's start by using wood care water gel citrus yellow. Stain the desired color onto the wood surface and fill up the timber pores. Next, we use another color, wood care water gel rosetta and deep sea blue. Instead of using waste fabric or brush, you can also use crumpled newspaper for special effect. To give it a more rustic look, sand the surface from coarse to finer grit size. As you can see, I'm using an orbital sander, BOSCH GSS 140. Think of woodworking as an art. Just sand it according to your skill. I feel that the natural, the charcoal tan, and some color highlights are giving a very harmonious blend to the wood surface. Look at the beautiful wood grains, simply amazing. Honestly, I don't think the darker wood stain works very well with the charcoal black surface. That is why I'm using a mechanical sander to lighten up the wood surface.
get ready to polish and shine using my secret ingredient, ball linseed oil wax. It is very easy to apply my secret ingredient. You just have to rub the wax onto the wood surface. Do you know that waxing also improves durability and moisture resistance? You can use any waste cloth or fabric to remove excessive. There are many ways or methods in Shou Sugi Ban or Yakisugi.
Now look at this beautiful piece of art. Simply amazing, isn't it? Do you feel like starting your own woodworking project now? And remember, there are various ways to explore with Shou Sugi Ban technique. If you enjoy watching my video and would like to learn more about what I do, please like and share and comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Now, stay tuned. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sayonara. Hey, if you are paying attention enough, you probably will notice that I have got a new toy here. Yes, it is Ceremonic 96 channel microphone system, and I got it from shashinki.com, Malaysia's first and largest camera online shop. Let's give it a try. How was it? Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.